World biggest data branch in history. Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Raja Chaudhary and today we will talk about world biggest data branch in history made and its hack or not. Many factors. 16 billion login details leaked in mega branch affecting Apple, Google, GitHub and more because of hackers. In a massive cybersecurity shocker, researchers have confirmed that over 16 billion login credentials, including usernames and passwords, have been leaked online, and these are not just old or recycled breaches. The leaked data could be used immediately to break into accounts across top services like Apple, Google, Facebook, GitHub, Telegram, and even government platforms. Not even government safe. Mega data branch threatening Apple, Google, and more. The researchers warned this is not just a leak. This is not just a leak. It's a blueprint for mass exploitation. These are not just old breaches being recycled. This is fresh weapon weaponizable intelligence at scale. 30 hug data sets, some with billions of records. The leak includes 30 separate data sets, each with 10 tens of millions to up to 3.5 billion records. Unbelievable, but it's exist. The data includes logins from social media you and me use daily, VPNs, developers, tools, and corporate platforms. Just an example, you install the application in Google, and he that application uh, hack your phone just in seconds. According to a report in Forbes, these data sets have been found throughout 2025. The data includes login from social media, VPN, developers, tools, and more of sites. The discovery came after researchers found an unprotected servers holding a mysterious database with 184 million records. That was just the beginning. The latest findings suggest a much bigger and more dangerous situation. High value logins. So about the value logins, the leaked credentials are particularly dangerous because they come from widely used services, making them highly valuable for cyber criminals. And today time, cyber cases is gaining so high. Darren Go Darren, CEO of Keeper Security, said the fact that the credentials in question are of high value for widely used services carries with it far-reaching implications. Experts warn that such leaks can lead to phishing attacks, account takeovers, your bank balance takeover, business emails compromise, BEC scams, many scams you lost. It's time to move past passwords. Google reacting to ongoing threats like this is urging users to stop relying on traditional passwords and even two factors authentications. Instead, they are pushing for passkeys and secure sign in methods. Google said it's important to use tools that automatically secure your account and protect your from scams. because these scams are not good for your bank balance, your future. Passkeys allow users to log in using biometric like fingerprints, facial scans, or pattern locks, making them much harder to steal or fake. Google calls them phishing resistant and says they are the future of secure sign-in. What you should do? So change your password immediately, especially for important accounts. Use a password manager to create a strong, unique password. Enable passkeys or other secure login options were available. Avoid using password across multiple sites. This is not just another data branch. This is not just another data breach with 16 billion credentials now out in the wild. Your account could be at serious risk. Stay alert and lock things down before someone else logs in. Because all of it's first, your security, secure your account, secure your bank balance. Because if money gone, everything gone. Okay, so thank you so much for watching my video. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.